Hello everyone, I'm Neha, your happiness coach. Fear. I'm sure all of us have encountered this feeling, this four-letter word in our life at least once in our lifetime. I'm sure it's more. There are more instances where we are fearful, where we fear of different things. Some people are scared of heights, some are hydrophobic, some have a fear of losing their loved ones. Well, I came across somebody last week during my counseling session with her. She had this deep down fear of losing her parents. She was, upset with the fact that they are aging, and I fear that I'll lose them one day. And because she's single, she was like, they are the only ones that I have. My dear friends, the whole approach that we need to have to deal with this fear is all that matters. If once you know how to deal with this, how to handle this can never ever trouble you. So all that I was telling her was, and I want to tell to all the people out there who have this fear in you of losing your loved ones, see, death is something which is not in our control, right? We cannot control, we don't know. It is going to happen someday. It can happen to me, to you, anybody. But if we keep constantly living in that fear, aren't we spoiling our today? Aren't we spoiling that time that we can actually spend with those loved ones and make beautiful memories that tomorrow, even if they are not there, you will have a box full of them. One of my videos on this box of memories is right up there. Do click on it and you will know how you can make beautiful memories, with your loved ones. And this is exactly what I told her. You are even wasting the time that you're getting today actively with your parents, and just wasting that time living in that fear that, oh my God, tomorrow I'll lose them. You don't know. Tomorrow, who knows that tomorrow is going to come after 20 years. So are you going to live in that fear for 20 years and just wasting that 20 years living in that fear? Or you want to make full time, that full 20 years that you're going to get with them, make it awesome, do things that you never thought that you would want to do, and experience life with them, so that, and lock everything and put it up in a box or in a book or in the corner of your heart, that tomorrow, even if they are not around, all that you have to do is unbox that happiness and recollect that joy, those memories, and the happiness that you will get then, thinking of them, and will bring such a beautiful smile on your face that you will always cherish that. So please stop living in the fear of tomorrow, in the fear of what you're going to lose tomorrow. That's tomorrow, right? Nobody's seen tomorrow, because the tomorrow is going to be your today. So please don't forget to live in your today, and please stop worrying about tomorrow, because we have no control over it. I always say this, please stop worrying about things that you don't have control on. Only worry or only take stress and think of what you can do in things that are in your control and that you can actually work upon. Do let me know how this thought resonated. Thank you all so much for showing so much of love on my videos. I still see a lot of you are viewing them but have not subscribed. So please do click the bell icon and subscribe, so that whenever I publish a new video, you will get an update on the same. Also, please keep commenting in the comment section and let me know what more you would like me to talk on, and what interests you, and what is the best thing that I've been doing, and please share your feedback. It really matters to me. I personally sit and read all the comments. So please let me know how it worked with you and how this idea resonated with you. Until then, it's me, Neha, saying bye.